What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the incredible health benefits of olive oil and how adding just a few tablespoons of it into your daily routine can seriously transform your health. Now, I know some of you might be skeptical about olive oil. There's a lot of confusing and contradictory information out there about oils. Some say they are healthy, some say they are unhealthy. So let me break down the truth about olive oil and why it really is one of the healthiest foods you can add to your diet. Here's the deal. Olive oil is not like other refined and processed oils that can be bad for you in large amounts. Olive oil is an unrefined natural plant oil that retains all of its nutritional goodness. It delivers a mega dose of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, healthy fats, and other medicinal properties. The #1 killer around the world is heart disease. But studies consistently show that olive oil dramatically reduces your risk for cardiovascular problems like heart attacks, strokes, and high blood pressure. The beneficial fats and antioxidants in olive oil improve cholesterol levels, prevent arterial damage, and enhance blood flow. So if you want to keep your heart strong and healthy, olive oil is one of the best natural remedies out there. Now this may surprise some of you, but olive oil can actually help you lose weight and keep it off. The fats in olive oil help regulate hormones involved in hunger and satiety. This leads to improved feelings of fullness, so you eat less naturally without strong cravings or hunger pangs. Olive oil also enhances insulin sensitivity, so your body is better able to manage blood sugar levels and burn off fat stores. Dementia and cognitive decline are growing increasingly common, but olive oil shows promise for protecting the brain. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds that remove toxic proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. It also stimulates neural activity and wards off age-related memory loss. So drizzle on some olive oil if you want to stay sharp and focused well into old age. This is a big one. Olive oil has been shown to reduce the risk of developing various cancers by up to 30%. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds counteract damage that can lead to tumor growth and stop cancer right in its tracks. So adding olive oil to your cooking is an easy and delicious way to equip your body with substances that fight cancer. Overall, olive oil has anti-aging effects and can prolong your lifespan. The antioxidants fight the internal damage caused by free radicals to keep your cells, tissues, and organs functioning optimally. People who regularly consume olive oil maintain youthful, healthy skin and experience fewer issues with their joints and mobility as they get older. The healthy fats may also enhance hormone levels to keep you energized and vibrant.